Hey everyone, my name is Samara Kress and I live in Greenville, South Carolina. I lived in Philly for 20 years but moved down here about 11 years ago. And it's a very different kind of environment, which takes me to my field site, which was a long-term care residential facility with 134 beds, and it was populated by very poor individuals who either lacked family support or access to resources. They are mainly people who worked in the mills, which older baby boomers generally, if they were not educated, worked in the mills of South Carolina, and these people were often homeless, a big HIV population, full-blown AIDS, and infectious diseases from being exposed to the elements. It was a very interesting and sad experience, but I learned a lot about Medicaid regulations and working with people in the end stages of their lives, connecting with people and connecting them with resources for treatment and meals and things like that upon discharge. So in terms of clinically, I am interested in addiction and recovery as well as hospice, and I guess I just am looking forward to having an environment and a supervisor who is hands-on and will help me to hone my skills as a counselor and also on more macro and meso levels. Challenges for me, I think, are balancing family life, work life, and making sure that I get decent nutrition, hydration, sleep, and basic self-care, which can easily go out the window for me because I'm a very high-functioning person, and a lot of times I forget to put myself on the list, and obviously I can't help anyone if I am not cared for. So that is certainly a struggle for me. I'm looking forward to this class and to our next field assignment, and I look forward to getting to know all of you better. Have a great class.